Introducing Epson's PowerLite L-Series laser projector lineup. Fixed lens projection redefined. Compact, bright, and flexible. The PowerLite L-Series includes 13 models with brightness levels now up to 8,000 lumens. With 3 different options of throw ratio ranges, optical zoom capabilities, and lens shift, you can find the right projector to fit your installation environment. The PowerLite L-Series laser projectors are designed for many applications, including education classrooms and lecture halls, corporate meeting rooms, immersive experiences, and golf simulation. With Epson 3-chip, 3 LCD technology, these powerful projectors deliver bright, true-to-life images with full-time color for equal color and white brightness, compared to sequential color from 1-chip DLP technology. Epson PowerLite L projectors feature a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source and filter, allowing you to focus on making the most out of your powerful displays. 4K enhancement technology is featured on select models and can display double HD resolution on screens for a sharper, more detailed picture. Elevate your space with a large, immersive display that can span up to 500 inches diagonally. Versatile display options, including ultra-wide 16:6 and 21:9 aspect ratios. These models include Wi-Fi 6 and are designed for faster, more reliable screencasting through technologies such as Miracast and eye projection. The PowerLite L projectors now feature AirPlay capabilities that allow users to stream content straight from their Apple devices. Empower your teams with powerful data by connecting your projector fleet to Epson Projector Management Connected, which allows you to monitor your projections from any device with a web browser. The PowerLite L-Series includes advanced installation tools to help streamline your setup, including built-in NFC functionality for large fleet installations. The optional Pixeline camera assists multi-projector setup with powerful installation tools that help speed up complex processes like color calibration, screen matching, multi-projector stacking, and edge blending. Redefine what projection can do for your space and captivate your audience with the powerful, compact, and flexible PowerLite L-Series laser projectors, only from Epson.